Good evening, children. Today I will explain about electronegativity and electropositivity MCQs in our material. And I already sent our material into our Abhyas app. In that one, first you enter into the chemistry subject. In that one, already material present in assignments. Okay, a given periodic table. Okay, so that MCQs are all present in your app only, right? So today first electronegativity MCQs. There are from 109 to 119. 109 to 119. Now listen carefully, all of you. Electronegativity. Sir, what is electronegativity, sir? Electronegativity is the tendency of attracting electron pair towards itself. And what type of element shows electronegativity? Small size element shows electronegativity. And in the periodic table, non-metals, because non-metal sizes are very less comparing with the metals. So non-metal shows more electronegative nature in the total periodic table, but the metal shows electropositive character, right? And in this topic, I explained how to changes in groups and how to changes in periods. Generally, electronegativity is decreases in groups and increases in periods. And three important scales also are given. That is, first one Mulliken scale, next one Pauling scale, third one Allred-Rochow scale. Okay, right. First one, somehow you can solve. Solve very easily. Such type of MCQs I leave. Triple one. So relation between electronegativity on Mulliken scale and Pauling scale. Mulliken scale and Pauling scale. The relation is very easy. That is, answer A is the clear. It is, that is electronegativity of Mulliken scale. Already given. These formulas are already given in the previous videos. That by 2.8 is equal to the electronegativity of Pauling scale. Are you understand? So very simple actually for Pauling scale. Actually, what is Mulliken scale? In Mulliken scale, electronegativity is equal to ionization energy plus electron affinity by 2 electron volts. But this is, that value is now divided with 2.8. Then it is the Mulliken scale. Then it is electronegativity value in Pauling scale. It is Ie plus Ea by 2 into 2.8. So this is equal to Ie plus Ea by 5.6. This is electronegativity of values of elements with Pauling scale by using Mulliken scale method. Okay, so answer is A. It is very, very clear. Next one. 112. So the electronegativity value of neon is. Sir, neon, what is the neon, sir? Neon is a noble gas. For noble gases, not only neon, for all elements present in the noble gases or the 8th group elements, they are not involved in the bonding. That's why there is no reactivity. Simply, for such elements, electronegativity value is 0. So electronegativity value is 0 for noble gases. 0 for noble gases. Are you understand this one? It is very clear. Next one. 113. Generally, electronegativity is measured in electronegativity, actually number of scales are there. Mulliken scale, Pauling scale, Alred-Rotho scale. But remember all of you, Mulliken scale is used. Mulliken scale is used for the calculation of electronegativity of any element in the periodic table. Okay, Nana? So 113 answer is A. That is Mulliken scale. Mulliken scale. Okay, Nana? Next one. 114. Generally, electronegativity is 114. Which factors affecting electronegativity among the following? Which factor affect the electronegativity among the following? A is nuclear charge. A is nuclear charge. B is screening effect. Screening effect. C is atomic size. D is oxidation state. Actually, in these four options, first two are not involved for electronegativity. But we expected these two are involved in the electronegativity because in groups, atomic size is increases, electronegativity is decreases. In periods, atomic size is decreases and electronegativity is increases. But for atomic size is only for neutral atoms only. But for oxidation states of the elements gives the not only for neutral atom, even for ions also it tells the electronegativity. That's why the correct answer is D, that is oxidation state. I already given one example for this one. For example, Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3 is given. Now, which one shows highest electronegativity? It is very simple. What is iron atomic number? 26. 26 means it contains 26 electrons. Fe plus 2. Plus 2 means loss of 2 electrons. Loss of 2 electrons. Loss of 2 electrons means 24 electrons are present in Fe plus 2 ion. But in Fe plus 3 means loss of 3 electrons. So total 23 electrons are present in Fe plus 3 ion. You know that Fe plus 2 means ferrous ion. Fe plus 3 means ferric ion. Now, which one is the smallest in size? Which one is the smallest in size? Actually, iron contains 26 protons. 26 protons means inside 26 protons are present. Inside means in the nucleus 26 protons are present, but outside 26 electrons are revolved. But in Fe plus 2, inside the nucleus 26 protons are present, but outside 24 electrons are present. So the protons number is greater than electrons. So the protons number is greater than electrons means that protons are more number, that protons are present in the nucleus, that nuclear charges increases. Nuclear charges increases means that protons are attracting the electrons towards the nucleus. That's why atomic sizes decreases comparing with the iron of Fe plus 2. Now comes to the Fe plus 3. How many protons are present inside the nucleus? 26 protons are present inside the nucleus. Then how many electrons are present outside the nucleus? 23 electrons are present. So inside 26, outside 23. Then more number comparing with 23. But in Fe plus 2, 24. Here number is very small. Then 24. Then the size is very less comparing with plus 2. If the size of the atom or the size of the ion is decreases, electronegativity is increases, because small sized atoms or ions are attracting the electron towards itself. So answer is Fe plus 3 here. So simply oxidation state affect mainly the electronegativity of any element or any ion. Okay, remember this point. 1 for answer is D. Next one, 117. The electronegativity of the following elements increases in the order. Increases in the order. The given elements are carbon, nitrogen, silicon, phosphorus. Actually, 4 options are given here. First, directly we have to check, and we directly will give the increasing order of electronegativity. Sir, what about carbon, nitrogen, sir? Actually, these two are present in a one period, that is second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Silicon is present in carbon family. Phosphorus is present in nitrogen family or nicogens. Okay. From left to right, electronegativity increases. Electronegativity is increases. Okay. So comparing to carbon, nitrogen is more electronegative. But from top to bottom, electronegativity is decreases. Electronegativity is decreases. So decreases means in this one, nitrogen is highest, next carbon, next phosphorus, last silicon. Among these four elements. Now check the option, that is C here. C is this one. Silicon, phosphorus, two times carbon and nitrogen. So this is the answer for 117. Okay, electronegativity MCQs are completed. Remaining MCQs you have to solve at home. Next one, electropositivity MCQs. Electropositivity MCQs. Sir, first, what is electropositivity, sir? Electropositivity means the tendency of losing electrons. Remember this point. The tendency of losing electrons is called electropositivity. Okay, Nana? Right. So the tendency of losing electrons means how to the tendency of losing electrons. What type of elements are easily lose their electrons? Big size elements can easily lose their electrons. Okay, but we know that small size elements are attracting the electron pair towards itself. So big size element shows electropositive character, small size element shows electronegative character. Okay, generally metal shows electropositive character and non-metal shows electronegative character. That's why we clearly know that electropositivity is nothing but metallic character. Electropositivity is nothing but metallic character. And electronegativity is nothing but non-metallic character. Non-metallic character. Okay, Nana? Right. For electropositivity, 122. 122. Across the period, the reducing nature of elements. Across the period, the reducing nature of elements. Very simple. Sir, what is reducing nature, sir? First one. We know that reduction. Sir, what is reduction, sir? reduction means gain of electrons. Gain of electrons. Gain here in the periodic table, gain means generally if any elements are attracting electron towards each other, that is called electronegativity. Then reducing nature is across the period. In the period, that reducing nature, that the electronegativity is increases. Electronegativity is increases. Okay, so answer is for 122, answer is increases. Next, 124. Choose the incorrect statement. First statement is loss of electrons is called oxidation. Yes, it is correct statement, because oxidation means loss of electrons. And the second one, B, gain of electrons is called reduction. Loss of electrons is called oxidation. Gain of electrons is called reduction. This is also correct. Third one, non-metals are highly electronegative. Yes, I already told you. Highly electronegative, it is correct one. And possess high IP. IP means ionization potential. Actually, ionization potential concept is not completed. We will learn in 7th class. So ionization potential means amount of energy is required to remove the electron. But non-metals are small in size, so they are not involved in the losing of electrons. But if anybody try to remove the electron, it requires more energy to remove the electrons. That's why high ionization potential. So it is also correct, because we know that non-metals are highly electronegativity in nature, metals are highly electropositivity in nature. Okay, D. So I think first clear correct means the incorrect statement is automatically fourth one. Now check that. Metals have low IP and high electronegativity values. Yes, it is very clear, it is the wrong one. Because metals are highly electropositive in nature. So, but here given highly electronegativity values. Right? And they, of course, low IP is correct. Up to this one statement is correct. Metals are big in size, so required energy is very less, so low ionization potential. But electronegativity is not high, because electropositivity is high, low electronegativity. Okay, so MCQs are also completed. So total periodic table concept and also MCQs total completed for 6th class. The remaining part we will learn in 7th class. Okay, and from tomorrow onwards I will start another lesson, that is structure of atom, basic lesson for intermediate disease. For periodic table also intermediate basic lesson, important lesson. So periodic table, atomic structures are the basic lessons of chemistry. I think you are all maintained a perfect CW and also HW for MCQs. I already sent material to our app. So take the Xerox and solve all the MCQs. Don't waste your valuable time. I think We are all expected. We will start our school soon because we are waiting for government orders. Okay. Even corona vaccine is also distributed soon in Andhra Pradesh also. So all are perfectly maintained CW and HW for all the subjects, especially for fact program, that is IIT program, right? Because practice well and read well, practice well. Okay, Nana. Thank you very much.